In an ever-changing world, research and knowledge are the keys to meaningful progress. And where minds connect, change begins. Welcome to CBER, the Center for Business and Economic Research.
Admiral, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Based in the United Kingdom, CBER is a global platform connecting academics, researchers, and institutions from over 60 countries. Our goal: to support academic growth, innovation, and collaboration on a global scale. Center for Business and Economic Research. Progress and prosperity through technology research and managerial excellence. Center for Business and Economic Research was founded in London in 2006 with the aim of inspiring, recognizing, and supporting excellence in business and economic research. CBER invites you to get in contact to see how it can meet your needs in this era of rapid and yet exciting change. Our mission: CBER strives to be an important knowledge conduit via its academic journals, international conferences, bespoke consultancy and training services. Our activities: academic conferences, academic scholarly journal publishing, high-impact training and consulting services, membership, online short courses. CBER has organized high-impact international conferences across the University of Oxford, UK, Rome, Italy, New York, USA, London, UK, Alexandria, Egypt, India, Pune, Istanbul, Turkey, Dhaka, Bangladesh, Paris, France, UAE, Dubai. Empowering research and building lasting collaborations. CBER's academic and scholarly journals. The Journal of Business and Retail Management Research, JBRMR. The International Journal of Business and Economic Development, IJBED. The International Journal of Higher Education Management, IJHEM. The International Journal of Maritime Crime and Security, IJMCS. We are member of CPD member. The CPD Certification Service. Crossref Similarity Check. Portico. Sherpa/Romeo. Our conferences create a unique space where scholars, professors, PhD students, and professionals come together to share ideas, get feedback, and publish their work in index journals. CBER supports a wide range of disciplines: business, economics, social sciences, education, development studies, and beyond, focusing on interdisciplinary impact and global relevance. We also conduct training programs, webinars, and workshops, bridging the gap between academic knowledge and practical application. Whether online or on-site, our events are designed to inspire. CBER's Faculty Awards program, recognizing excellence in academia, is featured in a separate video presentation. Whether you're an emerging researcher or a reputed academic, CBER opens the door to global research networking, recognition, and collaboration. Join CBER today. Present your work. Connect globally. Inspire change. Email us, info@cberuk.com. Website, www.cberuk.com.